What's going on, guys and girls? Killstreak here. Today I'm going to do a review on the Asus TUF A17 2021 model. This laptop is geared towards engineers, seeing that it comes with a mil-spec certification 810H for drop, shake, heat, cold and humidity. It's a 17-inch 2.6 kg laptop with a metal lid, keyboard panel and PVC honeycomb back panel. Since it comes with metal panels, it's more durable than the plastic variants. It comes with a full board keyboard with a single panel RGB backlight. It comes with a robust trackpad with separate mouse keys. As you can see, it comes with a thin bezel 17-inch 144Hz refresh rate IPS panel. The sRGB is rated at 62.5%. It's not as color accurate as a dedicated monitor though, but it's good enough for gaming. It comes with a 1080p 16:9 with 250 nits brightness. It's bright but not bright enough for outdoor use. Here are the specs of the laptop. It comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H mobile processor with 8 cores, 16 threads and a max boost of 4.4 GHz. When it comes to GPU, it comes with an NVIDIA RTX 3060 laptop GPU with 6GB DDR4 VRAM at 1630 MHz at 90 watts. By default, it comes with two 8GB DDR4 SO-DIMM RAM. This laptop comes with a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. In order to upgrade it, you will have to have another NVMe SSD in order to upgrade it, since it does not come with a hardware slot. Before I go into pros and cons, let me show you the exterior of the laptop. As I said, it comes with a metal back panel for the display. Also a PVC back panel to protect the internals. This comes with a very durable keyboard panel as well, since it's also made up of metal. The laptop screen itself has very little flex. The display quality is good, but it's not as good as a dedicated monitor. Let me try to show you how it looks using the camera. If I can get the brightness to be right. Here you can see the quality of the display. As a true gamer who plays at night most of the time, the laptop does look stunning without the lights on. Let's get with the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. It is very robust and durable since it has a metal panel. It comes with an RTX 3060 GPU which can run most games at high settings, but it's not particularly future-proof. It has really good battery backup as well as a dash charger, so you can charge it very soon. The battery also lasts for around 6 to 8 hours. If you're using it for gaming, it probably comes to around 2 to 3 hours. It also comes with a variety of inbuilt softwares like the Asus Armory and Asus Support, which also help you in managing your laptop very well. So now let's get to the cons. This laptop is known for its heating issues. I will not sugarcoat it, it is bad. So even though it is terrible, the laptop in particular doesn't get very hot. The max I've seen it run even while playing very heavy demanding games such as GTA 5 or any other demanding games. The max that it has gone is for 85 to 90 degrees. It has never touched beyond 90 and it doesn't stay for 90 degrees for a long time. This is in Celsius, by the way, it's not in Fahrenheit. So that is definitely a con. If not for this particular con, this particular laptop does not have any other cons as per my notice. I've been using this laptop for more than 3 months. I've been using this laptop for a long time and it hasn't given me any particular issues. The only complaint I would have in particular is the heating, but I mean, which laptop doesn't heat, which gaming laptop doesn't heat? So if heating is not an issue for you, the laptop should be able to handle most of the processing. Well, if you guys have any questions regarding this particular model that I'm owning, that's because I can give you an honest opinion since I have been using it personally. You can leave them in the comments below or in the Discord server. Well, that's it for today. See you all next time. Peace out.